Bernadette 2488 Filipino-English Tutorials. First lesson, pronouns.
Panghalip.
Subject pronouns. I,
Ako.
you,
Ikaw.
we,
Tayo. Kami.
they,
Sila.
he, she.
Siya.
Now, take note that in Tagalog, there is no gender for the third person singular. We just say siya or siya to mean he or she. This is the very reason why most Filipinos make a mistake with the usage of he and she, often confusing the gender of the pronouns.
It.
Ito. Iyon.
Sample sentences. I'm a teacher.
Ako ay isang guro. Ako ay isang guro.
You are tall.
Ikaw ay matangkad. Ikaw ay matangkad.
Ikaw ay matangkad. You can also say it in another way.
By dropping the verb I and placing the adjective matangkad, which means tall, at the beginning of the sentence. And the subject, which now becomes the object, ikaw, at the end of the sentence, which means it will become adjective plus object. Matangkad ikaw. We are going to the market.
Kami ay pupunta ng palengke. Kami ay pupunta ng palengke.
We can also say, pupunta kami ng palengke, which means that we can also omit the verb I, which is just the auxiliary verb, and put the main verb going, which is pupunta in Tagalog, at the beginning of the sentence, followed by the subject kami, which means we, and then followed by the object of the main verb palengke, which means market. Then this will give us the pattern verb, subject, object. That means that aside from the usual subject, verb, object sentence pattern, we also have the short way of saying sentences like adjective plus object or verb, subject plus object sentence patterns. Don't forget that we also use these patterns. They are kind.
Sila ay mabait. Sila ay mabait.
In the same way, you can also say,
Mabait sila.
He is a man. Siya ay isang lalaki. Siya ay isang lalaki. She is a woman. Siya ay isang babae. Siya ay isang babae.
in the same way, we can also say lalaki siya, babae siya, noun plus pronoun.
It is food.
Ito ay pagkain.
In the same way, you can also say,
Pagkain ito.
Please check out my other channels.